Hey guys, today I have something for you that's a little bit different. It is the Civivi button lock Elementum II pocket knife. Yeah, you might be saying, why would a 61-year-old woman be interested in EDC and pocket knives? And I say, why not? I've always been interested in this kind of stuff. Ever since I used to get into my dad's dresser because he had all kinds of really cool pocket knives and watches and everything. And yeah, I used to get into it when he was not home. So right now I am going to unbox and open up the Civivi button lock Elementum II pocket knives. What you get is this canvas zippered carrying case. Does anybody use these cases? I don't know. I don't. I just leave the knife out. Let's see, they want to know if we love the knife. Well, we'll have to wait and see, right? Looks like we got warranty info. We have a really cool acid green cloth. That's kind of nice. Can use that for something. Let's see. We've got some information on the Elementum. Different blades, I guess. There we go. Looks like we might have a cool looking sticker here. And then we have the knife itself. Now this one, I think you're going to be able to tell that it is made out of, the scales are made out of Ultem. It's a really cool synthetic type of material that looks, to me, it reminds me of amber. I just love the look of it. It's got that really cool yellow gold color. Now this one, let me see if I can get close. I don't know if you can see the texture. It's got these lines, these diagonal lines, which help you grip the knife a little bit. We have a pocket clip that is very strong. And I suppose if you do not like it, you can remove it. We have a hole here if you want to add your own lanyard to it. And the center section here is made out of stainless steel. Looks like we've got some jimping on the blade, the top blade itself. And there's the Civivi logo. And right there's the button lock. And here's the little flipper. Let's see how easy it opens. Oh yeah, that is nice and smooth. Yeah, no problems at all opening that with just my index finger. The blade steel is Nitro-V. It's got a hollow grind, a drop point. The blade itself is 2.96 inches long. Now, to close the blade, you got this button lock. You just press it and it will close easily. So let's open it again. There we go. And press it. And you can just close it. When it's closed, it's not going to open by itself, but it is not locked. As you can see, I can open it just by pulling it open. But that's not unusual. Now, the little flipper has jimping too. Let's get in close there. So you got some jimping here. You've got it here. And then here is a close-up of that button lock again. So let's get a close-up of me opening. Oh, look, I just cut myself on that blade. I don't know how I ended up doing that, but I did. It is sharp. There we go there. Probably when I was closing it. So let's just see how sharp it is. Let's see how well it cuts some paper. Well, I cleaned myself up, but I don't know where I actually cut myself because I don't see it. but I did. So let's just take a piece of regular paper and see how well this cuts it. Okay, that's crazy. I'm hardly even pressing, and it is slicing it. I'm barely even giving it any pressure whatsoever. I'm mostly just pulling paper along. This is crazy sharp. You're gonna need to be careful with this one. So for me, I like EDC, love it, in fact, but it's not like I'm going out in the woods with this type of knife. What I will use it for is mostly slicing open packages. Yeah, I know, that's kind of sad, but it's true. Slicing open tape. And how many of you guys are out there, that's what you mainly use your EDC knives for. But this one is nice. Look at that satin finish on that blade. And I do like that closing method. Although I probably need some practice with it because I cut myself. Now the Ultem is perfect. Those scales are very nice. They are smooth. This is a very, very nice pocket knife. I think I am going to use this one as my daily driver instead of this Gerber, which I've had for a while now for opening packages. I am going to go with the Civivi button lock Elementum II. Such a nice knife. There's a lot of satisfaction opening that. Now, if you're interested in this, all you have to do is look at the description below. I'll have a link where you can buy one for yourself, and you can check the price. I'll have the latest price down in that description. And if you like this review and would like to see me do more EDC reviews, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel, and let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite pocket knife and what do you mainly use it for? I love hearing from you guys. And as always, I hope you have a nice day.